Yes, hello and welcome to our second video for the DF-202, the second video in English language. And just turn off the AF a little bit. All right. So first of all, I would like to thank more than 10 hams that have sent some ideas in hardware and in software. Some ideas are really great. Some ideas, yeah, it's possible, but we have to change the hardware. For example, if we want to go on from 3 transverters to 4 transverters, this would mean a lot of change in the hardware design, and I'm very sorry, but this is not possible. We just want to finish the hardware engineering in the next weeks. Of course, software will continue a little bit. Okay. Then another idea was to use, instead of the B and C for the IF signal, was to use 2 SMA connectors, one for RX and one for TX. But as you may know, most transverters have one port, so one connector for RX and TX. So it's one coaxial cable only that connects the transceiver and the transverter, and this is the same at the DF-202, so I think we will not change this too. If you are in the need for separate RX-TX signals, no problem, it's just a relay and you control the relay with the DF-202. That's not a problem at all. Another very good idea was to connect the OCXOs of the transverters to the power supply of the DF-202, so that the OCXO are running all the time. If you like this, it's possible to switch it up, to switch it off or on in a special menu. So this is no problem. This is a really good idea. IQ signals, of course, we have access to the IQ signals, and we can also transmit IQ signals. So this is not a problem. Another question was why we go on 10 Hertz resolution. Why don't we use 1 Hertz resolution? Please tell me if there's a need for 1 Hertz resolution, but I think 10 Hertz is absolutely all right for SHF work. All right, so we will keep you informed here at the YouTube. The next video, number 4, will be in 3 or 6 weeks or whatever. But before we end today, maybe some important information, because some OEMs have asked for ordering and prices and so on. You know, this is the 2nd generation. The 3rd generation, the 3rd hardware generation, will be ready to test in approximately 6 weeks. And then we hope this is the last generation in hardware. And afterwards, a few weeks later, we want to start with the production of 10 transceivers to make sure everything is working and the production process is working and so on. Because I am very sure that we will have one production process only. This will not be a series like you know from other commercial transceiver manufacturers. You can buy them at the store or something like this. This will not be possible for the DF-202. So if you are interested in buying one, it's most important that your name, your call sign, and something to get in touch with you, so an address, a phone number, or of course an email address would be most appreciated, that you are on the list of interests of interested OEMs. That's most important, because only the call signs which are on this list will get information about the DF-202. Okay. The prices for all orders we will receive before the production process starts. So the 2nd production process. Of course, the 1st production process, only 10 or 12 transceivers to make sure everything is working. And we at DF0 Mike Uniform just will keep them at our own station. That's not a problem. But before the big production process will start, the price is 1,189 euros. This is with VAT. And for all orders after the production process has started, it's 1,389, also with VAT. I don't know when the protection process will start. We think approximately end of July, something like this. Maybe middle of August, but that's not sure. But if you are on this list of interest, you will get an information about it. Please be a little bit patient, because this email, because of ordering the transceiver and so on, I think we will have this email end of July or middle July, maybe just right after the ham radio. Of course, we are on the ham radio, I told before. So, and finally, I would like to show you our data sheet. Just send me an email to DK2FD at t-online.de. So I repeat, DK2FD, that's Delta Kilo 2 Fox Delta, DK2FD at t-online.de. I just show you the second, okay, like this maybe, the second page of this information flyer, also with some information about price and delivery and so on. You see the back side of the transceiver, the front side, and an overview and a lot of technical data. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for now. Maybe if you like, just watch YouTube. I think the next video will be in 6 weeks or 10 weeks or whatever, I don't know. If you have any questions or any comments or whatever, just send me an email, and yeah, then we will just go on. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for listening, and yeah, 73 and good luck, and see you maybe at the Bodensee at the ham radio.